Welcome to the ultimate race number 2. There's 5 competitors and it's not including Dominoes. We have a small marble, James the Thomas Tank Engine, Pokemon marble, which is a large marble, Country Club Muscle Hot Wheels car, and we have a Hot Wheels monster truck, Gravedigger. Who will be the fastest down the 6-lane speedway? First one off the edge, and the winner will be the first one to fall off the edge, right near our steampunk outfits and props. Let's get this underway. Okay, good luck guys. Ready, set, go! Oh, the Hot Wheels car's in the lead. Hot Wheels car's won it, followed by the monster truck, the large marble, Pokemon, and the small marble. Then James brings up the rear. Sorry for any Thomas fans out there. You've come last in the ultimate race number 2. Gotta love the carnage at the end where they all landed. Near the steampunk outfit. They come flying off the edge of there. Bang! And the winner will be the first one to fall off the edge.